Περίπτωση της Σαντορίνης και στο αίτημα των ψαράδων για τη δημιουργία μιας θαλάσσιας προστατευόμενης περιοχής στο ακροτήρι. Ο ίδιος υποστηρίζει ενεργά την προσπάθειά τους και ζητά μάλιστα από τον Υπουργό Βαγγέλη Αποστόλου να τη στηρίξει.
Globally, the ocean is dying, unfortunately, at the moment. That's the reality, that's the situation. Globally, 90% of global fish biomass has been lost in the past 100 years, in the past century. So all the fish that we have today in the ocean represents only 10% of what's left from 100 years ago. Every fisherman, every scuba diver, every person who goes in the sea and knows about the sea sees this in their lifetime. They see that every year there's less fish, every year there's less things to see or less things to eat from the ocean. And I remember speaking with one of the fishermen in Santorini who told me, we inherited a sea full of fish, full of life from our parents, and we're leaving a desert to our children. So it's the same story everywhere around the world I've heard, and I've been diving all over the world for the past 10, 15 years, and I've seen that everywhere except inside marine protected areas. There's many scientific studies that show over 120 marine protected areas in the world, including 17 in the Mediterranean, that within 5 years, there's an increase of 450% of the fish biomass and 20% of the fish biodiversity. Specifically, Santorini is really interesting because it has a very high touristic pressure. There's a lot of tourists in Santorini. And according to research, to scientific studies, it also has one of the best marine environments in the Cyclades. So there's an opportunity in Santorini to create an example. Look, this project has been going on for 6 years now. It's really an inclusive project where we're bringing the municipality, the fishermen, the tavernas, the dive centers, everyone. And we need the ministry to be a part of this effort. It's a very inclusive effort, and we all need to be together to make this work. And the study that we carried out in 2013 with HCMR, one of the leading Greek institutions for marine research, proves exactly that. It proves two things. It proves that, yes, the waters of Santorini are overfished, and yes, we need the marine protected area, and we have a good idea of where it will be better.